broke, drowning in student loans, scrolling through social media, watching everyone else's perfect life while our bank account feels like a ghost town. The harsh reality is, most people will spend their entire lives playing by someone else's rules, trapped in a system that keeps them running in place, working harder but never getting ahead. But you can be different. You can be someone that refuses to accept the status quo, reimagining wealth not as a distant dream, but as a strategic mission. Let's get real for a moment. The stark reality of modern finance is the financial landscape for your generation is brutal. The average student loan debt is over $37,000, median rent in major cities is skyrocketing, entry-level salaries are barely keeping pace with inflation. You're fighting an uphill battle from day one. But here's the twist. This isn't a problem. This is an opportunity. There are 3 unconventional secrets. Secret number 1, the micro-investment revolution. Forget the old narrative that you need thousands to start investing. We're talking about a revolution of small, consistent moves that compound into something extraordinary. Most people think investing is for the wealthy. Total myth. We're proving that $5, $10, $20 a week can be a game changer. Let's break down some mind-blowing math. Invest $50 weekly from age 25 to 35. Assuming a 7% annual return, you'll have over $75,000 by 35. Do nothing and you'll have zero. The power isn't in the amount, it's in the consistency. Here are some strategic investment tactics. Automatic savings. Set up auto transfer to investments. Low-cost index funds. Minimal fees. Maximum exposure. Dollar cost averaging. Invest consistently, regardless of market fluctuations. Secret number 2, the lifestyle design hack. Living below our means isn't about restriction, it's about strategic freedom. We're not talking about becoming hermits, we're talking about intentional spending, for a real-life spending transformation. Cut streaming subscriptions and save $30 a month, meal prep instead of takeout and you'll save $200 a month, negotiate bills, save $50 a month, thrift shopping versus retail, save $100 a month, total monthly savings, $380, annual impact, $4,560. That's not deprivation. That's a strategic investment in your future. There is a true cost of impulse. Every impulse purchase is a stolen opportunity from our future selves. That $200 designer shirt, in 10 years at a 7% return, it could be worth $393. That concert ticket, potentially $781. We're not saying never enjoy life. We're saying make conscious choices. Secret number 3, the knowledge multiplier. Knowledge isn't just power, it's wealth. The most successful investors aren't born, they're built through continuous learning. Free resources that are pure gold. YouTube financial channels, library books, podcasts, free online courses, and financial blogs. The goal is to learn one new financial concept every single week. This financial transformation will take a complete mindset shift. This isn't about getting rich, this is about creating options, building resilience, and designing a life of choice. Financial freedom means working because you want to, not because you have to. It means having the ability to take risks, supporting causes you believe in, helping your family, traveling, creating art, and starting a business. We're not promising an overnight miracle. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, unexpected expenses, market downturns, and personal challenges. But here's the truth. Every financial giant started exactly where we are right now. Some possible starting actions to take could be opening a high-yield savings account this week, start a low-cost index fund investment, learn one financial concept weekly, track spending ruthlessly, and invest in yourself, always. Your 20s are not a dress rehearsal. They're the foundation of your entire financial future. Every dollar you save now is a gift to your future self. Are you ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle? Are you ready to write a different financial story? Drop a comment below. Tell us, what's your first step going to be? Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's build wealth together.